Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to teach you how to make fluffy, easy pillow donuts. It is very easy and yummy. So into your bowl you are going to add 135 grams of milk, then 6 grams of yeast, and then you're going to break 2 eggs into the bowl. Medium-sized eggs, about 100 grams is fine if you're measuring. Then just allow this mixture to mix for 2 or 3 minutes. Or even less than that. Then you're going to go in with your sugar, 56 grams of sugar, mix, allow it to go all the way. Now you are going to go in with your all-purpose flour, 340 grams, and then cornstarch, 8 grams. Just allow everything come together, mix, 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 and mix. If you're using your hand, it's the same procedure, just that you have to knead with your hand. Knead very well with your hand until the dough is elastic. Please subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell. Share, like, and comment. When you try it out, please come and drop a comment for me. Send me your review. Thank you so much. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell for weekly recipes. Thank you. So now you're going to go in with 45 grams of butter or margarine. 45 grams of butter or margarine. At this point, you're going to add the salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I think I actually forgot, but I added it. I forgot to film that part. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, because the reason why I didn't add it to the milk, salt and yeast are not friendly at all, so that is why I allow it to mix very well before I added the salt. At the point where you're adding the butter or margarine, you add the salt, 1/4 teaspoon. So you have to mix and mix until the dough is this elastic, like almost see-through. It has to be really elastic so that the donut will be very, very fluffy. This is actually very easy. So once you notice that your dough is very elastic, you would unplug the mixer, and then we are going to portion the dough. So if you want your donut to have even sizes, what you have to do is to use a scale and then measure Some people, sometimes I do 85 grams, sometimes 80 grams, or even 95 or 100 grams. It depends on how big you want your pillow donuts to be. But this is something that my friend just came over and then she told me she wanted to eat donuts. I just brought out my ingredients and I decided to make donuts for her. So the sizes were really not relevant because we are just going to eat everything at home. But if you're selling, if you're selling it, you have to just measure each dough. When you portion, you measure it either 80 grams, 85 grams, 95 grams, or even 100 grams. So this is very important. You have to roll it very well, like roll it until it is very smooth. If not, when you toss it into the oil, it is going to burst open at the back. So the dough must be very smooth. That is very, very important for donuts. It must be very smooth. You see the back? You almost not notice between the back and the front. If you don't do this, your dough is going to pop open. Your donut is going to pop open. So here, just sprinkle a little flour and then put it on it to allow it to rise. It took about 30 to 40 minutes for it to rise. So follow the same process for everything. Like I said, this part is very important. If it is not smooth enough, your donut is going to pop open in the hot oil, and that is not very good because you will have one smooth part and then the other side will be rough. And then please don't forget, always sprinkle a little flour on whatever it is. You can use parchment paper, you can use baking paper here, but I have these foil plate cover, so I just decided to use them. So you can use anything you can easily lift and to put your donuts in the hot oil. So here it is, we are all done, waiting for it to proof. So another way to test that your oil is ready for your dough is to use a skewer. Just toss it into the oil. If you notice bubbles around the skewers, your oil is hot enough to put your donuts. Please, you have to fry on a very low or medium heat so as your donut can cook inside. If your oil is too hot, your donut is going to be brown, and then the top inside you will have uncooked donuts. So I'm just using the skewer and then just flip it over. Remember, the heat is medium heat. If your oil is too hot, your donut is going to get burnt, and then the inside will not cook. So the oil has to be on medium heat. So this is it. Looking so yummy, right? Really yummy. please don't forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, share, like, comment, and then when you try it out, please come back and drop a review for me. It will really encourage me. Thank you so much. Don't forget, just hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much, and let me know where you're watching us from. Let me send you a hug on my next video. That is very important. Let me know where you're watching us from. Let me send you a hug on my next video. Thank you. So it's all ready. So here I'm just sprinkling icing sugar on it. It's really yummy, really yummy. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you want me to share on my next video. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share, and also send me a review. Thank you so much for staying glued to my page. See you on my next video. Bye.